Hey guys, I'm Reemy. I'm happy to see you again. There is a rare thing. Stop. This is not a rare thing. 1 second, please. Alright, get better. There is a rare thing, a vintage laptop. It's from 1991 year and it works. It really works. One of my friends brings me it for repair. The laptop lost a keycap. Only 3D printing can help solve the problem. Well, let's go to see the laptop and the lost item. (1991) laptop with Data Exulite 386S. It's a perfect example of the second generation of laptops that gave this class of machine an almost modern look, at least as far as the form factor is concerned. Well, it was actually the first 3D mainstream laptops, if we can only say that about the laptop that cost $4,185 in 1991, around $10,000 in today's prices. It is a lightweight, the lightest according to PC Magazine 91 review, and compact computer that has the 386SX20 processor, 2 MB of RAM and 42 MB hard drive. The display 215mm. Grayscale 32 gradation as per spec. Very slow but produces a sharp and very usable image. The full-size keyboard has 79 keys in total. For some of them, such as F11, F12, page up, and you need to press a special function key. There are also standard upside-down cursor keys, but only those for highlighting. You will have to use the FN key in combination with the cursor keys to get to home, page up, page down, and like today. Communication facilities include FX modem and an additional compartment, an external FDD, LPT, and COM9. That's it? Don't forget to follow my channel. Built-in models are held in place with a null screw. The computer has a standard module that provides connecting mouse and keyboard. You can't use together the modem model and mouse. Just imagine, if you have internet, you can't use mouse or touchpad. Alright, for someone it's okay, but not for all. The battery life at the time was 2 hours 8 minutes in PC Magazine Lab battery wear test, one of the highest rates of the time. I could not resist and decided to see what is hidden in the body of this laptop. I suggest you see it too. How much the board differs from modern ones. After all, it is over 30 years old. The most important feature of this laptop is the processor. The Intel 8386 is the 32-bit third generation x86 microprocessor from Intel, released on October 17, 1985. The processor was the first 32-bit processor for the PC, before the advent of i386 programs and operation system used several puzzling memory organization models: tiny, small, large, huge, different in the organization of code, stack, and data segments in memory. The 32-bit address made it possible to use one simple flat model instead. The 32-bit version of the tiny model in which all task segments are in the same address space. The flat model provides the size of such a general segment to almost 4 gigabytes, which at the time was enough for any conceivable task.
We have examined the patient and now we'll start treatment.
Carefully remove the adjacent button, which we will use as a prototype. The model is very simple, so the modeling didn't take much time. Now, let's start printing. Well, here is our prosthesis. It remains only to try it on. The treatment went well. The patient is completely healthy and ready to work.
Thank you for watching my video. Put from, write comment and see you later. Bye!